Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the fuser unit on Xerox Workcentre 3335 and 3345 models. Take out first the paper tray, then rotate it to the rear side. Take out the duplex tray, open the rear door, then push here and remove the rear door. Push down these green hooks, then push down these green, let's say, buttons, and like the rear door, press here on the right side and take it out. Now unscrew these two screws. To remove this sensor. Now we have to remove the screws which hold the fuser unit. We have here one more. And we are ready to take out the fuser unit. If you have a new one, just place it back and in a reverse order place the doors and the covers, and that's it. If you want to replace one of these rollers, the pressure rollers or the fusing roller, I will shoot another video and you will find a link to it in the description of this video. So thank you very much and good luck.